I'm gonna get right to it. I want to make you the newest Guardian of the Galaxy. The first thing we'll need to do to set you up and make you a Guardian of the Galaxy is design your own iconic look. Put this helmet on and punch me in the face.
Howdy.
You'll be able to see how to transport me to another universe.
Good. I'm gonna kill some guys.
Well, this concludes our tour. Right now.
Do you trust me? No. But listen, we had the best trip ever, didn't we?
Turn it back on!
Can't keep listening to the same song again and again and again.
Give it!
The man who sings a song is